Is AirDrop giving you trouble on your iPhone? This can be annoying, especially when you need to send files to other Apple devices quickly. No need to worry. Here are some simple steps to fix AirDrop and get it working again. So let's get started. Before you begin, check that your iPhone's battery is above 20%. If it's too low, AirDrop won't function properly. Solution 1. Enable and configure AirDrop. Open Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of your iPhone. Press and hold the Network Settings box. Tap AirDrop. Select Everyone to make your device discoverable to all nearby Apple devices. Try sharing your file again to check if AirDrop is now working. Solution 2. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both enabled on your iPhone. Open Settings. Confirm that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches are turned on. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by turning them off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning them back on. Retry using AirDrop to see if the connection has improved. Solution 3. Sign in and out of iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Scroll down. Tap Sign Out. After signing out, wait a few moments and then sign back into iCloud. After you've signed in, try using AirDrop again. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once the update is complete, restart your iPhone. Try using AirDrop to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Once your network settings are reset, try using AirDrop again. These steps should help you fix any AirDrop issues on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.